Okay, if you want to pause the video now and have a go, otherwise let's get started. So this question is all about, do you understand the difference between linear, area and volume scale factor? If the answer is no, then you've probably got the answer of 80 for question 1. However, let's try and work out how we actually work it out. So we're going to have a little table here of A and B, and we're going to have the scale factors in the middle, and we're going to have the linear one. Now the linear scale factor is just what you're used to, so A is 18 and B is 9. So to get from 9 to 18, we do 18 divided by 9, which is going to be times 2. I'm going from B to A, so I'll show that with the arrow. So volume scale factor. Now it says that the volume of B is 40. Now to get from B to A, I need to times it by 2 per dimension. So I'm going to times it by 2 cubed. Now 2 cubed is 8, so all I need to do for that is 40 times 8. You're timesing by 2 for each dimension. Since volume's in 3 dimensions, it's times 2, times 2, times 2. 4 times 8 is 32, and so 40 times 8 is 320. Okay, this time it gives us cuboid A has a total surface area of 560. So if I just fill in that, and let's work out the area. So area is 560. Now, there's two things you need to realise. First of all, the scale factor is going to be 2 squared because there's 2 dimensions, but we're also going the other way. Now when we go the other way, we're just dividing. Makes sense. If we times it, will get bigger, and that doesn't make sense because B is way smaller than A. So we're going to divide it by 4. So we're doing 560 divided by 4. Now when you divide something by 4, you can halve it, then halve it again, or we could just do a simple bus stop method. So 560, 4s into 5 go once, carry 1, 4s into 16 go 4, 4s into 0 goes 0. So that's going to be 140, and so we write it in. Always check your answers to see whether they make sense. Does it make sense that B has a bigger surface area? Also, look out for the word similar. Similar means that you're going to be using scale factors in 99% of the 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional questions. So as soon as you see the word similar, try and find the scale factor, either the linear scale factor, area or volume scale factor. Don't forget also, if you're given the volume scale factor and you're asked to do something on a linear question, so compare 2 lines or 2 lengths on it, then you've got to make sure you cube root it, and if you're given an area scale factor, you make sure you square root it.